show you a quick 3-step style session right now so that you can give a little bit of a pop to your outfits if you want to try this. Okay, so step 1 is you start with a solid top like I have on, and I'm actually wearing capri pants, but I wanted to also show you my shoes for this outfit because that's going to matter later. So I have these white sandals with some silver kind of bling on them, okay? That's important. So first thing you're going to do, start with your solid top, just throw on some pants, and then step 2 is add a seasonal fashion item or a seasonal style pop, okay? So I'm going to show you both of those. First of all, I'm going to show you Skylar, the styler. She's my assistant, okay? And her seasonal fashion item is going to be a jean jacket, okay? So we're just going to throw that on her. And she's just going to look a little bit cuter with that jean jacket on, okay? And now for me, I'm going to do a seasonal pop style. And you might hear my little baby. He's hanging out right by me. So hopefully he'll let me get through this without having to fit. But I'm going to grab the end of my shirt and tuck it in the front. Just a little bit, because I want the extra to kind of just be able to flow a little over the edge. But I'm bringing up to my waistline, which is going to make me look slimmer overall, okay? So this is a high-low shirt, so it's low in the back. It's going to come up in the front, and that's just a little seasonal hop thing you can do for your outfit. All right, now Faye talked about cashmere, which is my favorite necklace because of all the stuff you can do with it. So I'm going to show you what she was talking about when you throw on this in an outfit. So I pulled out the white because my shoes have white in them. Fun fact, if you're wondering what necklace to wear, match it to the color of your shoes because that will bring your whole look together. Okay, so I'm going to throw this normal band of cashmere on, and then I'm going to put the white down, get my hair out of the way, and then I'm going to tie it, just like Faye was showing us on her lovely assistant. Probably hear my toddlers in the background too. Toddler moms, baby moms, shout out to you. I definitely get it. Okay, so I'm going to put a little knot in it, just like so, okay? So now I have this really cute little style that I just did, just pulling out one of those strands. And then she also showed you, this is one of my other favorite things. This is the chameleon bracelet she showed you. These are those style bands she was talking about, okay? So you can get 8 different colors, and what I like to do is I will pull out whatever color I'm trying to accent in my outfit. So I'm going to use this soft pink. It's not quite the peach, but it's still going to pull out the color. Slide it right in there. No big deal. And then I'm going to throw that on one of my arms. I love this one because you can actually just adjust it to your wrist size, so it's going to fit anybody. But there's that, okay? And now Skylar, I have the rest of the cashmere necklace I haven't used, so I'm going to throw it on Skylar so she can look a little more fabulous too. So again, this was the reversible pendant that Faye was showing you yesterday in her live. I'm going to do the blue side for her. And then I'm going to throw on this arrow piece on the top. So now she looks just a little cuter and a little more fashionable. Super easy. And she only did, so she's done because she can't wear earrings. But I would put on some earrings if I could wear them too. But I'm going to show you what it's going to look like at least. I just got my ears re-pierced, so I have to wait a little bit to wear earrings. But you can grab something really simple like this. Remember, earrings larger than a quarter will help you look slimmer, okay? So you would just throw on something like that, and that would be your full look. Now you could add more to this. You could throw on some rings. You could throw on another bracelet, but that's all you need to do to make it a little bit more stylish for your day. So thanks for joining me. Have a great Sunday. Be encouraged. Know that you're loved. Bye.